Hey there, I'm excited to share my latest creation with you, a little project I've been working hard on. Ranged Artillery Rider. It's this cool low-poly monster lizard with a badass artillery rig on its back, and a rider who controls both the beast and the weapon. I spent quite a bit of time making sure every detail looks just right. Here's what you get. Unique design combining a mutant lizard and a functional artillery system. 2 carefully crafted materials. 11 high-res textures, 4096 by 4096, 24,328 vertices and 40,574 triangles, optimized for smooth performance. Animations for both the rider and the monster, perfect for adding long-range artillery units to your game, creating engaging grinding mechanics, spicing up your enemy lineup, adding variety to your combat units, RPG and action games. I'm really proud of how this model turned out, and I think it can bring something special to your game. Whether you're working on a mobile game or an indie project, this versatile unit can add that extra layer of excitement. If you're interested in adding this unique character to your game, feel free to purchase it now. And if you have any questions about the model or need help with integration, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to assist. Thanks for checking out my model.